Okay. Adia's Where the Wild Things Are. You gotta read it to me, right? Okay.
Where the wild things are. Look at this wild thing. You want me to read the poem?
Yeah, read the poem.
But who did this?
A friend.
A friend?
Yeah.
He's my friend too.
Exactly. Read the poem.
And so today.
How does the poem go? This tale is just the one for you. I've been around some monsters too. Seen some forests dark as night. Your smile's bright enough to light. You gnash your teeth and roar, roar, roar. Like one of them, but you scare me more. Tear off my nose and laugh out loud.
Ha 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 ha.
Like one of them without the crowd. You raise your claws up to the sky.
Let me see.
No. Look, focus. Charge at me, I almost cry. You're a wild thing and sure are mean. In fact, the wildest thing I've ever seen. Read this book until you're old. Unlike Max, you'll need no bite. Your mind is stronger, wander far, and lead more monsters under stars. Okay, now read me the book.
Trees. No, that's just the trees where life is.
Alright. Here, turn all the pages.
What's these?
They're wild things.
That's my life thing.
Yeah, you have him, don't you? Turn the page. Read me the story.
These are my things.
Uh-huh.
He's the wild thing too, huh?
Uh-huh. Well, that's Max. He's not a wild thing. He's just a little boy. Okay, what is he doing? What's it say?
He's getting a suit.
He's making mischief, huh? Okay, what's he doing on the next page? Turn the page.
There's another one.
Yeah, he's making mischief of another kind.
There's another one.
Now what's he doing there? His mother called him Wild Thing, and Max said, I'll eat you up. So he was sent to bed without his supper.
Mom, I'm gonna hold this. But
Are you gonna read me the book? Oh, I'll hold this. Okay.
And grew.
And grew. That's right.
Look, he's so happy. What is that?
It's a wild thing.
Ooh, that's scary. I was seen a wild thing ever after like it.
Alright.
But what he's doing?
He's saying, hello, welcome to Where the Wild Things Are. Okay, this is where they roar their terrible roars and show their terrible claws and roll their terrible eyes and gnash their terrible teeth.
Roar, roar.
Roar, roar, roar. Alright, let's see what happens next.
Okay.
He tamed them with a magic trick.
Stay still, guys.
That's right, be still.
Be still.
Alright, let's see what happens next.
Mean king of all the other things.
They made him king of all the wild things, that's right. What was his first order of business? He said, let the wild...
Let's start!
That's right, let the wild rumpus start. Alright, what are they doing there? They're howling at the moon. How do you howl at the moon? Alright, what do they do on the next page?
They're hanging a tree like a monkey.
How do you hang in a tree like a monkey? Oh. Here, let me help you find the page. There it is. What happens on the next page?
I was playing with my first mountain.
What are they doing?
They're dancing.
They're dancing.
Do-do-do-do-do.
Just like that. Alright. What happened? Oh no, Max looks sad. Is he tired of being the king of where all the wild things are? Does he want to go home to where someone loves him most of all? Yeah. So, what's he doing? He's just saying bye-bye?
Yeah.
But they're roaring their terrible roars and showing their terrible teeth. There he goes. He's sailing in and out over here. And he came back into his own room where he found his supper and...
Where's him? It was still hot.
That's right. The end.
Let me reach again.
No.